Howdy folks, this is Tim from Buckstock Garage. Came up to do my Sunday model cars and coffee, and yeah, it's kind of funny because this is pretty much what I just typed in as a comment on Kyle's page. So I had a plan, but I've been derailed because I'm a softy and I just can't. So you'll see. Welcome to Model Cars and Cats. Or Coffee and Cats. Yeah. Key's taking over my spot. So there he is. Say hi, buddy. Yeah. We clipped his nails last night. He got a little pissed off. But he's still my buddy, and so that's it. So Sunday, coffee and cats. One more time. Say bye. Oh, big stretch. All right, folks. We'll catch you next week. Me and Key, signing off.